Hello, this morning live and direct from Davos. Here you can see where we are. Beautiful city. This is Peter with his wife. We are currently assembling the small spherical harmonizer, the Mini-SHA, which shortly going to be presented to the public here in Davos, professional as usual. Later on today, we're going to install the harmonizer directly next to the totem peace pole, right in the center of the city of Davos. This is a present from a woman who sponsored it to the city of Davos. Again, this is Davos. See you later. Now we are back live. As you can see, here is the fully assembled mini spherical harmonizer. We are located in front of his hotel in Davos. This is already recording. Please help me with the camera. Please also show a little bit of this environment. Now I'm going to explain a little bit more. Hello, it's me again. We just finished setting up the spherical harmonizer, just to make sure that no elements are missing. As it is complete, we can easily install it at his designated place in a few moments. It's actually really easy to assemble. The company, Blue Planet, is delivering it as a complete package, and everyone is able to assemble it within 15 minutes. Shortly, I am going to film another video where we will show you the holo-fractal-harmonizer against Wi-Fi, 5G, and smart meters being assembled. See you soon in another video. Bye. Here is shown how the holo-fractal-harmonizer is built. Peter is currently assembling it. Next to it is the finished spheric harmonizer. Let's see. Tell us, what are you doing at the moment? I'm actually assembling the dodecahedron. You are sticking the parts together so it will be stable? Yes, solid. Sometimes the materials vary from each other and then they better stick together. It is not necessary, but recommended. Show it to the camera so that we can see what the initial phase looks like. This is what it looks like. The different components are now being attached onto the dodecahedron. And this is how the dodecahedron comes to life. It is so beautiful here in Davos. Such a beautiful weather, with a blue sky, and here are some planes with chemtrails being sprayed all over. And this is exactly what we are aiming with the spheric harmonizer. Once filled with water and turned on, those chemtrails are going to be dissolved. As you can see, they are spraying a lot. We are next to the Kulm. Are you ready? No, not yet. This will take a minute. You can already see the first facade here. The components are continued being assembled and stabilized. It is this easy to build a holo-fractal harmonizer for indoor spaces. As you know, there is a lot of stress in indoor spaces because of smart meters, Wi-Fi, and soon also due to 5G. And you are coming home to a place where you want to be able to relax and recharge in your own indoor space. But there's Wi-Fi everywhere. At your neighbor's house, downstairs, upstairs, just everywhere. This means that all indoor spaces are filled with radiation also. And this holo-fractal harmonizer create a calm space, which means that the environment will be less acidic. But it's getting more and more alkaline, which actually is best for our well-being. And an alkaline environment is where our soul feels at ease. It is really easy to place. This is the construction kit from Blue Planet. It comes like this, and you can either get it as a complete prepackaged kit and assemble it yourself, or you can get it already pre-assembled. Yes, Peter just told us that they optionally are delivered pre-assembled. You can choose whether you want to get it as a kit or pre-assembled. I think it is small enough so that the company can build it and deliver it pre-assembled. Here, now I want to show you how the holo-fractal harmonizer gets completed. Now the last components are being mounted to the dodecahedron. And Peter finally did it. One more left. Ja, exactly one more. There are 30 pieces. Once it is finished, you can show it to us, right here in the sun, next to the other harmonizer. Now you can show us the bottom with the technique. This is the spiral and the resonator, the Tesla spiral. This spiral is condensed. This is the holo-fractal harmonizer. Can you turn it around, please? Slowly. Turn it a little more so that the people can see it. Now we can see the end result. It is assembled very fast. Now we are back live again and working on the small spheric harmonizer. We are installing it here next to the totem peace pole, here in this park. We are going to provide some water to it. I wanted to show you the totem peace pole. They are the chemtrails, which are going to disappear soon. This is written in multiple languages. This is the rehabilitation garden of Davos, next to the convention center. It's already swirling. Hey Peter, you are creating a beautiful vortex. Look, the sky is replying to us. Look at what they have prepared for us. The assembly will get started shortly in front of the totem peace pole. Do you think they sense that we are here? Yes, everything is possible.
Alles ist möglich.
The totem peace pole. Here is the famous doctor who cured tuberculosis and built a center in Davos.
Einfach geheilt hat und der ein Zentrum errichtet hat in Davos.
I will be back soon when we are ready. I'm back. We have already installed the spheric-harmonizer. I have to turn the camera around. I am walking towards the totem peace pole. This is the natural reserve of Davos in Switzerland. And we just completed everything. This is the totem peace pole, which was sponsored by the community, same as the other sculptures here. It is made out of wood and should not be alone here anymore. He is meant to get the right energy. And this is the spheric-harmoniser, which now is reviving all of this. As you can see, we are here in Davos. This is Peter. He is a little tired now because he has worked so much. Thank you, Peter. Now we can see the machine at close range. Turn the water on for a moment. In order that the vortex is created, the water needs to turn. And the dodecahedron just is the fifth chamber of the heart. A dodecahedron consists of 12 sides, like the 12 apostles, or the 12 lotus flowers. Fifth ventricle. There is enough literature about this topic if you want to read about it. This is the totem peace pole. There is a lot of information. Here, you can read about the purpose. A totem peace pole for Davos. The energy. This is beautifully carved out of wood, and this is what it actually looks like. And the spheric-harmonizer is seen behind it.